Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can make social media post on the Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Canva, and after going to the Canva, as you can see now, simply we will be on the home page, and after going to the home page, simply we have to click on this icon. As you can see, social media. You can also directly search this. Now we have to choose that which type of post you want. You want for the popular, or you want the Instagram, Facebook, or the LinkedIn. You have to choose them. For example, I'm going to the Instagram, and now we have to choose the formats like the square, the post, the story. And for example, I'm going to click on the reels here, and after clicking on the reels, you will get the reels template here. For example, I'm going to click on this one here, so let's click on this, and this will be added, and I'm going to click on the apply all pages. As you can see now, the template is applied into our story or the reel, whatever you have selected. And now if you want to add the text, you can also do that. If you want to change the video, you can control each and every setting here. And after doing these all changes, simply we have to click on the share, and then we have to go to the download, and then we have to click on the download option here, and the video will be downloaded. So in this way you can download, in this way you can make a post of social media on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.